back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we'd love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. On a recent trip to America, we stayed at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Page. This is part of the Hilton. We picked this hotel because it was conveniently located. It was close to popular tourist attractions in Page, such as Antelope and Horseshoe Bend. It was also across the road from Walmart and a very short drive to restaurants. Once we parked our car in the hotel's free parking, we headed up to our room. First impressions was the room was very big and spacious. There was a beverage area which had tea and coffee facilities, a microwave, and a bar fridge. There was also a desk in the middle and plenty of plugs around it. Plus a central TV. We noticed a lot of lamps around the room had power point outlets on them, which was a great touch. There was also a large bed in the center of the room and a seating area. The room also had a balcony that overlooked the car park, and you could kind of see Lake Powell in the distance. There was also a wardrobe with a full-length mirror, and that had an iron and an ironing board in it. The shower was over a bath and it had a few extra toiletries. Now to explore the rest of the hotel. The hotel facilities included ice machines, a pool and spa, this led on to a sunbathing area. There was also a gym, and a washer and dryer, which we used later. The washer was $2.50 and the dryer was $2. If you needed washing powder, this could be bought from reception. There was also a drink station. The next morning, the hotel included an American Continental style breakfast. This includes some pastries, eggs, and patties. There was also a coffee and tea station where you can make a hot drink to enjoy with breakfast or on the go. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay here This hotel was modern and very conveniently located. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying here. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.